What's up, guys? In this video, the CJ gets a lift, front 410 gears, and a locker.
Now I can fall in love with the life you make me live. I feel like I had enough of the things you gotta give.
Alright, so here's the CJ. And here's the new axle I just got. It's 410, lockrite locker. Teeth look really good. You spin a little bit so I see the locker. Yeah, there she is. So it's 410, wide track out of an 83, I think. Got some really nice locking hubs. It comes with these stainless steel extended brake lines. I think these are skyjacker 2.5-inch soft ride strings, so they have like this like plastic in here and all of that. And then it has 2.5-inch lift shackles, which I've heard can be kind of sketchy, but we'll see what happens there. I'm gonna run it for now. What the hell? So cool. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this diff fluid out of here because it looks kind of old, but it's not that bad, I'd say. So we'll get that out of here and we'll work on getting the old 272 Dana 30 out. You know what? Not bad. We can watch the metal shavings. I don't see any yet. Nope. Cool. Good deal. Got the Jeep up on some jack stands. Yeah. Or almost have the Jeep on some jack stands. Just taking the wheels and tires off. Because the first step of getting this new axle in is getting the Jeep on some jack stands so we can get this axle out. Cool. There we go. Nothing 5-pound sledgehammer couldn't handle. Let's see if we can. Oh, she does not want to turn. Well, that'll come out when I lower the axle. Sorry guys, the lighting isn't the best, but it's like 35 degrees and I'm working in my garage, so sorry. It's all good. So I think once the shock's out, I just need to disconnect the brake lines and the drive shaft yoke bolts. That's good to go. Wow, good thing this thing's getting a little bit more lift, because when I got my drive shafts lengthened, I thought the transfer case would be a little bit further back, so I don't have that much room at all. Oh, and there goes all the needle bearings. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, so all that holds this like kind of janky shackle on is just two 9/16 nuts on this side. There's a stud on this side. See if I can get this off. Cool. Pulling this axle out. Probably not going to be that climatic because I'm not moving it that far. But hopefully nothing is attached. Oh, hold on. Shoot. Oh, you know what? I bet you if I lift up on this side. There we go. Now, down. Oh. That needs to stay in the car. Cool. Alright, so I got the back of these leaf springs bolted in on this new axle, and this thing is going to be way higher. I don't really know how much higher yet, but she's going to have another 2 to 3 inches of lift. So sweet, we'll get the other side bolted in, and then we'll figure out what we're doing with the front shackles. Okay, so we've got everything in, like the shocks. It was really cool. I don't know if this is OEM or the guy put it in, but there's a little shock mount right there. Got the brakes, brakes bled for now. I'm probably gonna put new pads on it eventually, but I mean, this is all really temporary. I got the drag link in. So I just have to do a couple things like straighten the steering wheel-ish. And then I also got the drive shaft in. We got the new RTV on the diff cover there. Just needs fluid and straighter steering wheel, and that's good to go. But yeah, if you're wondering, all this stuff we're just gonna paint at a later date because painting takes a really long time, and I just want to see this thing done. So cool. Okay, now we'll let her down and see how it looks. Wow, it's high. That's for sure. See how... Dude, that's so much better. Alright, so now that I got the front all lifted, phase 2 of this plan is lifting the rear. Because I always thought the rear was a little bit low, but there's a couple things that are limiting me from being able to lift this thing. One of those things is an extended braided steel brake line and an extended parking brake cable only on the driver's side. The passenger side is really long, but the driver's side is really short for some reason. And I also got some very similar sized lift shackles. I think they're probably 2-inch, but I mean, these leaf springs get a lot of flex. They're just really stiff. So I really just needed to loosen up in the front. I'm gonna keep running the rough country springs on this for now, unless I can find a good deal on something different, but these will do for now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this drum off and work on getting this new parking brake cable in. Hopefully I don't have to do that much stuff because I don't really like taking apart drum brakes and stuff. You can see that shiny new extended parking brake cable. It's actually not extended, it's just a parking brake cable from, I think I ordered it from like an 83 because they had the wide track, because I swapped the wide track axle into this. See it in an earlier video. So yeah, now all I gotta do is I'm gonna put this brake line in, and then I'll get the shackles on. Then I'll set it on the ground and I can bleed the brakes and do all that stuff later. I just really want to get this thing on the ground. We just used the Harbor Freight brake bleeder to bleed the brakes. We also got that nice new brake line in there. Go focus. So that looks good. Sweet. All this stuff now is to drive this thing when it's a little bit lighter out. Alright, so here's the CJ. It's got the front 2.5-inch soft ride springs with the 2.5-inch shackle lift, and then the back like kind of stock height rough country spring with the 2.5-inch lift shackle. And this is how she's sitting. It looks really good. The front is a little bit higher than the back, but I'm fine with it for now. Also, I I recently picked up some rear skyjacker soft rides for the front. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now is just take it for a little drive, take it somewhere where I can show you guys just like it going into 4-wheel drive and stuff. I won't be able to take it off-road too much in this video, but that's okay. And we gotta drain the water in the floors. These floors are kind of gross right now. Gotta love CJs. It's pretty cold now. This thing hasn't run in like a week or so, so we'll see how she cold starts. See the little bit of height difference. Sorry, it's really windy right here. Some future plans include I ordered a disc brake conversion a little while ago because I mean with the V8 under the hood, these brakes aren't just cutting it. Like they're fine when like in emergency situations or like after kind of going kind of fast. It's just I don't want the brakes to not be good. So I'll show you guys 4-wheel drive. And all that stuff. Yeah. Hey Jason, can you film me like doing 4-wheel drive stuff?
Sure.
Just like get outside and you can see like we'll show like the locker and all that. But first thing we're gonna do is go forward a little bit and then kick it into 4 high. Turn this way. Okay, so we'll put it in neutral, slow down a little bit. So we're rolling. Should be able to just plop her in. Should be in 4 now. I'll turn and you'll be able to hear the locker. Yep, substantial decrease in turning radius. Yeah. Hey Jason, can you get out?
Sure.
Actually, here, I'll put it in low right now. That's a little bit more interesting. So I'll go this way. Okay, she's in neutral. Let me prop the bottom out first. Oh, okay. Let's go forward a little bit. Get a little more speed. Okay. Come on. I don't know. Is my transfer case more temperamental than most? There we go. Okay. Put her in a little. Slow down a little bit. There we go. See, so I'm wondering, now we're in low for sure. Is this more temperamental than most transfer cases, guys? Not really sure. There we go. All right, baby. 4 low.
So right now Daniel's foot is off the gas. It's in 4 low. Oh, now he's on the gas. But when it's in 4 low, it just trucks on. He doesn't even need to touch the gas. Oh, you can hear the locker. Go. Get the locker. Yeah. touching the gas.
I've always wanted to do this. Oh, it's going away. Oh, it looks so cool.
Let me get it up front.
Hey, I'm gonna. All right, let's do a little bit of mall crawling, going slow. This thing is sick. Going up that curve, I know it's just a curve, sorry, we're not anywhere we can go wheeling, but just going up that curve, it literally, I didn't touch the gas and it just went up, the engine didn't get close to stalling. That's what I like. I like being over-geared as opposed to having to like rev it out to get it up stuff, and that'll make it easier to not stall and stuff. So. Cool, let's get it out four-wheel drive. Out. Okay, front's out. There we go. So maybe you have to go in for. Oh, there we go. We're in. All right, let's stop. We'll unclip. We'll unhook the front hubs, and we'll be good. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for some more videos of this thing. Yeah, we have a couple more upgrades we're doing in the future of this, including like the back lift, disc brakes, and then we gotta take it off-road and really test this locker. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for some more content of this thing.